In a world saturated with traditional problem solving, a revolutionary hero arises: design thinking. This is more than a method, it's a transformative mindset promoting creativity and innovation. Imagine the power to not only view the world through a different lens, but to also reshape it. Design thinking encourages us to empathize deeply, define with precision, ideate freely, prototype rapidly, and test thoroughly. It's a bold challenge to conventional approaches, inviting us to solve problems in ways previously unimaginable. As we embark on this journey, remember, every major invention began with the simple aspiration to do better. Today, we're at the cusp of redefining challenge resolution, equipped with a strategy that values innovation above all. Watch as we explore design thinking's impact across various sectors, inspiring a shift in thought and creative problem solving. Let this be the start of an exciting expedition into the heart of design thinking. Diving deeper into the essence of innovation, we encounter the core of design thinking, a process fusing empathy, creativity, and logic to fulfill user needs in feasible and viable ways. Let's dissect the 5 stages that constitute this transformative method. The journey begins by empathizing with users, immersing ourselves in their experiences to grasp their needs intimately. This understanding propels us into the define the problem stage, where nebulous issues are transformed into tangible challenges. Next, ideate solutions prompts a storm of creativity, pushing boundaries for the unique and innovative. The adventure becomes tangible with prototype designs, where ideas manifest physically, exploring their practicality and impact in iterative cycles. The journey culminates with test and iterate, exposing prototypes to real world applications, refining through feedback, and spiraling closer to innovative solutions with each iteration. Progressing beyond academia, design thinking serves as a living, adaptive practice. It invites us to defy traditional problem solving norms, fostering a mindset geared towards innovation. Through our explorations, design thinking reveals itself not as a linear process, but as a dynamic dance of discovery, design, and iteration, each step informed by the last and aimed at solving our greatest challenges. The future beckons with promises of discovery and solutions waiting to be unveiled, empowering us to manifest the innovative solutions our world desperately needs. As we approach the culmination of our journey, the profound influence of design thinking in revolutionizing industries and redefining solutions becomes evident. Industry professionals across disciplines, engineers, designers, educators, entrepreneurs, share their success stories, painting a picture of transformation powered by design thinking. Their collective experiences underscore a vital message: design thinking transcends being merely a process. It's an odyssey of innovation, empathy, and groundbreaking solutions. Every narrative reaffirms its capability to turn challenges into opportunities for creativity and progress. But the essence of our journey lies in stirring you to action. The tools and principles of design thinking are at your fingertips, ready to be applied to your challenges. Whether you're navigating projects, seeking innovation in your field, or addressing long-standing issues, the path of design thinking is open. As we draw our exploration to a close, remember, the transformative potential of design thinking isn't limited to experts. It's available to you, offering a new paradigm in problem solving. Embrace this journey to redefine your approach to challenges and pave your path to innovation.